Understanding Safety Harness, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, safety harness. This is an important term, especially if you're interested in safety equipment or activities that require extra protection. Let's dive in and understand what a safety harness is all about. A safety harness is a form of protective equipment designed to secure a person from falling or getting injured. It's typically made of durable materials like nylon or polyester and consists of straps that wrap around the body. The key components of a safety harness include shoulder straps, waist belt, leg loops, and a dorsal attachment point. These harnesses are widely used in various industries, especially construction, and activities like rock climbing or bungee jumping. The primary role of a safety harness is to prevent falls and reduce the impact of a sudden stop. This is particularly crucial in high-risk environments. It provides stability, distributes force evenly across the body in case of a fall, and ensures the wearer's safety. Understanding its importance can be a lifesaver in many situations. Using a safety harness correctly is vital for its effectiveness. Firstly, inspect the harness for any damage or wear and tear. To wear it, hold the harness by the dorsal attachment point and slip your arms through the shoulder straps. Fasten the waist belt and leg loops securely, ensuring there's no excess slack. Always double-check all buckles and straps. Maintaining a safety harness is as important as using it. Regularly inspect it for any signs of damage, such as frayed straps or broken buckles. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and storage. Also, adhere to safety guidelines like never altering the harness and replacing it after a major fall. Thank you for joining us in this lesson on safety harness. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the importance and usage of safety harnesses. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.